We harvested our carrots in early summer. Carrots are ready for harvest when their tops start to pop out of the soil. This year, we just sprinkled our seeds on the soil and gently mixed them in. We didn't plant them in rows. We didn't do any thinning. And when we seed in this way, the carrots kind of grow at different rates. So you'll have some that will start to grow and then seeds that'll germinate a little bit later. And that means that we also kind of prepare for more of a gradual harvest. So that means we can go through, look for the carrots that are popping out of the ground, harvest those larger ones, and leave the smaller ones in the ground to grow a little bit more for a few more weeks, and then come back and harvest those. Once you pull carrots out of the ground, you can rinse the soil off right away. And then there's lots of different ways that you can prepare and eat your carrots, whether raw or cooked. And you can also even use carrot tops to make things like pesto. What's your favorite way to eat carrots?